Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about Friday's whisper. So Friday had my eye on a couple of stocks. The first one was SUNY, great pre-market volume, however, only bullish above that 437 level. And you can see she could not break above that. Therefore, we did not take the trade in the Java pit. Also had my eye on XLE. If you recall, we spotted those gigantic prints at 63.25. And you can see I was bearish below. And wow, look at this thing. It's been coming down. It's still coming down. You got to follow the prints on that one. Also, had my eye on GDX, was watching the 14 level. Only bearish if she would go below 14. And you can see, look what she came to, right down to that level. Bounce it up, which means buying has been coming in. And that does lead me to today's whisper, where we're going to get back to that in just a moment. I told you on Friday to watch the SPY. All right, there's been selling going on at that 205.38 level. Late dark pool selling. As a matter of fact, you know what we spotted? We spotted 31 million more shares sold at the top at 205.88. These were all late prints coming in all day long. I posted some of them up on StockTwits and Twitter, but Cousin It counted 31 million shares. That's a lot. We also had some prints at 201.88 level. All right, just above where we're trading right now. So keep your eye about 5 million there, and another 5 million at 202.66. I've drawn some trend lines on my chart down here, and a lot of times we'll trade off of these dark pool areas. So as a day trader, we love to know where these guys are. So I'm pointing them out to you. Definitely watch, and you can see we already traded off of it this morning. We popped up to that area and pulled back down again. So on Friday after the close, we spotted some really big prints on the VIX. And you know what? Friday was one of the best days ever in the Java pit trading room. My traders were killing it on the short side. Leslie, fantastic trade on EDZ, UVXY. Foxy Roxy rocked UVXY. Alessio rocked the SPY on the short side, over $3, and the VXX. Pinky was trading the HVU.TO. That's the Canadian VIX. Over $5 she made on that. Harish was rocking the VXX. Ron was killing it. Amazon short VXX. Celeste was rocking the VXX. Mr. Vegas UVXY. Wow, Yosef was rocking the TVIX. There's so many ways you can short this market, and my traders were doing it. They were killing it. But the traders of the day, though, go to Bella and Coco, aka the dogs of the Dow. I tell you, my dog Bella has called the last 5 corrections, I think. When she barks, the market goes down. So fantastic calls, Bella, and you're teaching Coco. So Coco's rocking it. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, the VIX. We spotted 4 million, I think it was, 4 million shares traded at $23.66 right near the end of the day. So keep your eye on that level. You can see I drew a chart of the daily chart right here. We were hitting a major resistance here. So on this channel, if we break above it, there's a lot of room to the upside, but you can see that definitely somebody was taking some profit up top. So definitely keep your eye on that level. Also watching today, as I told you before, like in the gold trade, like GDX, above $14.29. That was a really big print area. And you can see that the gold futures are hitting the pivot right now, 1071. So bullish if we can stay above this pivot today. So definitely keep your eye on that as well. And also have my eye on FXI. You can see this is the China ETF, 1.4 million shares traded here in the block trade indicator at $34.44. So this thing has really gotten crushed. It looks like somebody's covering their shorts, possibly going long here. So bullish above, bearish below, no thinking. Come watch me trade along with my fantastic traders at the JavaBit Trading Room. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.